here as you can, here you can see, of course we got to black out all the details and the goodies, but you can see here, look, discover, Macy's, boom, delete it. I love it. I haven't done this in a while, and I figure I should do it so you guys can see that we're not playing around here. We're getting it done. Now, this is not necessarily a typical, okay? It happens. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer, and we knock off 3 at a time, 3 here, 2 here, whatever. But the idea is that we're making moves. Things are happening. There's change happening, and that usually makes people very happy, especially in the beginning of the year, to know that, they started the end of the last year of 2017 and, with the right mindset. So, don't give up. If you guys have any questions, even if you're not a client of ours, please give us a call, pick our brains, make this year, successful, as successful as you want it to be. And it really, really can, no matter how deep you feel like you're in the, in the stuff, there is light at the end of the tunnel, and we can kind of show you what that light would look like. Okay. And that's all options. Okay. Credit repair is not something that we feel was really going to help you. Then we got other resources for you to get the job done. So we look forward to talking to you. Our number is 510-877-0760. Again, 510-877-0760. And check us out on our website, which is doggone amazing. It's new. We just launched it at the end of last year. And it really takes you through how we actually do our business, okay? All right. Happy New Year, you guys. Bye.